I won't go down to the parties that my eyes are shut and they're glowing red. I don't need sleep 'cause it's all in my head. It's all in my head. It's all in my head. You can find me on the dance floor, moving like a zombie for sure. My skin is looking paler. I'll figure it out later. Don't be so concerned. Just exaggerate.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with one of the most famous attack helicopters in the world, the AH-64 Apache. The most famous I made obviously is the one in minifigure scale, 1:35 scale to be precise. But today we have the smaller version of it that you can see also here in a prototype from above and also from this other camera if it focuses. This one is at 1:70 scale, so half the size of the minifigure one. And you can also find, here you can see what remains of it, the 1:90 or 100, I'm not really sure, version that is slightly smaller. This one was my previous mini version, but now that we have the 1:70 scale that is much more accurate, is half the size of the minifigure, so it's not so different in terms of size. But with this one, not only is more accurate, but we can achieve many more details. Well, you have already seen the photos before and some clips probably. You have already seen how many details I was able to include in this little fella here. If some colors are weird or missing, you should know at this point my prototypes are made to test everything work. The colors are not so important, but this time I was able to achieve almost all the colors correctly. As you can see, you can also play with it, it's very playable. The rotors can obviously rotate. I can show you also from above here the other rotor. On this camera maybe a little bit less, but from above you can better see everything. But don't worry, very soon we will switch to the program where everything is more visible. At this point you should know how it works if you are subscribed. If not, why not subscribe, so you will know when I make new designs. And some reminders for who is new here on this channel: you can check the caption of the video to find the playlist with my all other creations. So if you like this one, you can check also the others. Maybe you can find something else you like. If you like this scale, more will arrive, so let me know in the comments also which creation you want to see next at this scale. Again, it's very playful, you can play, we have moving rotors. The weapons is where I spent more time trying to achieve the proper shapes, and I'm quite satisfied of the result. This version has also the Stinger missiles, but if you don't like them, you can simply disconnect the weapons you don't like. Very simple. Below we have the gun that can be aimed in all the directions, and also this one later I'll show you on the program, maybe better. One more thing, we also have here below the connection for a stand. You can use the stand you like most, but if you check here in the right top corner the free tutorial playlist, where you can find also this one, instructions for free. So the smaller one here is available for free, but you can also find my universal stands. You find 3 different stands in 3 different sizes. This one is the smallest among the 3 of them, but it's perfect for this creation. This is the universal stand with universal connection, so you can use the one present here, you can disconnect this one and use this version, or like in this case you can remove completely the head, and this one can be connected directly here on the bottom, and you have your stand. Now I can show you from that camera, maybe from this camera you can see it better, and you can keep it on a stand. And one interesting thing here, the rotor blades can change the angle. Maybe from the side you can see it better. So on the stand you can keep them slightly up, like it's flying, like the real one. And if it's on the ground, you can bend them slightly lower, just like when the rotor blades are turn it off, so you can choose the position you like most, and then you can push, whee, they rotate, whee. But now I think we have seen enough of the prototype and we can switch to the program so I can show you better everything. Okay, now that we are on the program, I can show you everything again very fastly this time with the proper colors. I think we can start from the nose where we have the sensors. On the bottom we have the gun that can be aimed in all the directions. Of course we don't have the fingers, so it's more difficult than in real life, as you have seen before I shown you with the prototype. But this one can be moved like this. Then we have the weapons, Hellfire missiles, rocket launcher, and here we have the stingers. Obviously you can decide to remove the stingers if you don't like them and prefer a more classic look, or you can change the weapons. Maybe you want to have only the rocket launchers, you can do it. Here you have the Hydra rockets, and on this side maybe we can connect only the Hellfire missiles. Obviously you can have 4 of each kind. Here we have the rotor that is identical to the one I have already shown you, so we will not spend time here. We have the engines with small little details. Then if we move here on the tail, we have the back rotor that again, also this one is identical to the one I built in the prototype. The only little difference with my prototype is here. For the back landing gear I used this part that is quite cool, quite nice, while on mine I used a worse solution because I don't have this part, but I'll order one as soon as possible. And that's it, the video is already finished, the project is not so large, but here I can show you the helicopter one last time with all the 1 to 70 scale projects I made until now. A mix of mostly aircraft, as you can see, we have a lot of fighters and the B-2 bomber, but we can also find a Star Wars X-Wing that fits quite nice among them, and it gives you an idea about the real dimensions of these machines because they are all at the same scale, while here we have the main battle tanks. And how big is an Abrams compared to a fighter? You can also find fictional machines like the Metal Gear from the famous video game, and you can also find a train because why not? And yeah, this is the full collection, but let me know in the comments what you want to see next at this scale. Another airplane, or maybe after we did the Apache we can start also the helicopter collection and make more helicopters, or why not? Completely change another tank, another sci-fi machine, or let me know your opinion. Remember again to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Leave a thumbs up if you like this machine and my designs in general, you help me a lot to know what you like and what you don't. And as usual, see you again next time with a new project. Bye!